Students, welcome to this video series which is meant for Biology Class 7 ICSE syllabus. In this video series, we keep on describing about Chapter 1 Tissue. We keep on giving notes for this lesson, Tissue. So this is the part 3 of this video series. Come on, let us move on to the questions. Before that, don't forget to subscribe and share it with your friends and click the bell icon for more notifications. Now let us see the 26th question of this lesson. Name the animal tissue that helps in absorption and secretion. Epithelial tissue. Next one, name the tissue which is also known as supportive tissue. Answer, connective tissue. Next question, explain connective tissue. Connective tissue has only a few cells and plenty of intercellular spaces. So it has got only a few cells and plenty of intercellular spaces. What is meant by intercellular spaces? The spaces are the gaps that exist in between cells. Next point is, intercellular spaces are filled with the matrix, a kind of a substance. The matrix can be rigid, dense, liquid or jelly-like. The matrix can be very rigid or very dense, or which may be in the form of a liquid or maybe in the form of a semi-fluid state, that is jelly-like a substance. Next question, what are the functions of connective tissue? It joins and binds the various structures of the body. So, it joins, it connects, and binds means what? It glues various structures of the body. Next point, it fills up spaces. Third one, it provides support and forms the framework of the body. Last point, it protects various parts of the body. 30th question, name the 3 types of connective tissue. Number 1, connective tissue proper. Number 2, skeletal tissue. Number 3, vascular tissue. Next question, what are the functions of connective tissue proper? It surrounds the organs of the body and supports them. We have got many organs in our body, so this connective tissue proper surrounds the organs and it supports them. Next point, it connects muscles with bones and one bone to another. So this tissue connects muscles with bones and also one bone with another bone. Next question, what are the types of connective tissue proper? Areolar tissue, adipose tissue, tendon and ligament. What is areolar tissue made of? Areolar tissue is made of protein fibers such as collagen and elastin and cells such as fibroblasts. So this particular tissue is made up of protein fibers, namely collagen and elastin, and also cells such as fibroblasts. Where is areolar tissue found? Areolar tissue is found as a continuous layer under the skin. So it is found under the skin in the form of a continuous layer. Next question. Write a short note on adipose tissue. Adipose tissue is largely made of fat cells called adipocytes. So adipocytes are nothing but fat cells. What is the function of these adipocytes? Adipocytes store fats in vacuoles, and it is found, here it means adipose tissue is found under the skin, around the heart, kidneys and joints, and it also is present in bone marrow. It cushions various parts of the body, thereby protects them from injury. Cushion means, in sofa and all, we used to sit comfortably because it provides a cushion like comfort to us. So here also it cushions various parts of the body, thereby protects them from injury as and when we fall. Next point, it also protects the body against cold. Next question, write a short note on tendon. Tendons are bands of white fibrous connective tissue made up of mainly of collagen fibers and very little elastin. So these tendons and all, in the butcher shop, we can easily see a white color thread-like substance found in the body of a goat or some other animal, that they are called tendons. They are mainly made up of collagen fibers, but also we can see a few traces of elastin in them. They are strong and flexible, so they can withstand stress. As they are strong and flexible, so these tendons can withstand stress. They attach muscles to bones and to structures such as eyeballs. First, they attach muscles to bones, and also they attach muscles to structures such as eyeballs and other things. They help in movement of bones. Next question. Explain briefly about ligament. Ligaments are bands of fibrous connective tissue. They have more elastin than tendons. In tendons, we have got only little elastin, but here these ligaments have got more elastin than tendons, so they are more flexible. They join bones, they support and stabilize joints. They prevent unnecessary damaging movements. Next question. Give an example where ligaments limit their movements. Ligaments limit the movement of the ribs. Where do we find ribs? I think you would have known about rib cage and all. Underneath our chest, we have a rib cage. In rib cage, we can find the ribs. So the ligaments limit the movement of the ribs to a gentle gliding motion that helps in breathing. Like other bones, these ribs cannot move so freely, but they can glide in a gliding motion, which helps in breathing. So with this video session has come to an end. With other questions, let us continue in the next video.
Like, share and comment and subscribe our channel and click the bell button for more videos. Thank you.